What's up, guys? If you're getting the error, this version of Vanguard requires Secure Boot to be enabled in order to play Valorant. Here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Restart your PC and enter your BIOS or UEFI settings. Usually, press Delete, F2, or Escape during startup. The key depends on your motherboard brand. Step 2. Once in BIOS, find the option for Secure Boot. It's often under Boot, Security, or Advanced Settings. Step 3. Set Secure Boot to Enabled. Also make sure that UEFI boot mode is selected instead of Legacy, if that setting is available. Step 4. Save and exit BIOS. Your PC will restart. Now just launch Valorant again, and the error should be gone. That's it. Let me know if you need a BIOS walkthrough for your specific brand, and subscribe for more fast fixes like this.